In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Tab menu. Following that, you need to tap on those three dots located on the right side of brightness slider and click on this switcher next to adaptive brightness to turn it on or off. When you finish, click on Done at the bottom right corner to save your changes. You can also go into Settings instead, scroll down just a bit and access Display section. Then tap on this switcher next to Adaptive Brightness to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!